How to share Facebook story to Instagram automatically. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook, enter your login credential, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now, simply click on Create Story at the top left corner. From your gallery, select any of the specific video or the photo that you want to upload on your story. Once you have selected, tap on Next. Once the story has been uploaded here, now what you want to do is click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then move into privacy. It will be landing you on this page. You can see the option of Share to Instagram. Click on it and then turn on this option at the top right corner. Once you have turned on, now whenever you upload any of the story on your Facebook, it will be shared on your Instagram automatically, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.